To disable the pop-out in Safari in your iPhone or iPad, you can simply follow these easy steps. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's or iPad's home screen. The procedure is same for both of the devices, so you can follow this. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down till the bottom and there you'll get to see Apps option available and simply tap on the Apps. Once you tap on the apps, in there, scroll down and look for the Safari and tap on the Safari app. If you do not find it, then you can also tap on the search address bar and search for the Safari app and simply tap on it. Once inside the Safari settings, all you have to do is look for the block pop-out option available there. And once you find it, make sure to enable the switch. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.